And Kii gang, and today we back with another banger for y'all today, man. And today, as y'all can see from the title down below, we cooking it up in the kitchen.
This is cooking with the Shay And Kii family.
Cooking with
part one. So this is gonna
we have a couple videos though. We have a couple task videos.
Those don't count. This is part one.
So part one, and we're gonna start off with part one. We're gonna make this a series, and we're gonna really see how much cooking videos we can get in.
So
for y'all.
comment down below what y'all want to see us cook on cooking Shay And Kii family.
Or make.
We can experiment.
Yeah.
We can bake.
Yeah. Or like y'all got recipes, put them down below, or hit us up. Our socials are down below, and tell us what y'all like to see. And also tell us if y'all like seeing videos like this. Y'all like seeing us eat. Y'all like seeing us cook it up in the kitchen and everything like that.
Whip it up.
But I got this idea from Jason.
Alyssa and
Jason. It's Alyssa and Jason. Jason, Alyssa.
Alyssa
and Jason. I got this from them because they did this last night, and that bit look fun. So
we're gonna try.
We're gonna try this bit today. Save some motherfucking money because you don't gotta go to what's that place called?
L House.
L House and make this bit. So we're gonna do that, man. Y'all can see we got. So we got the cheese. We got fries.
And the chicken.
Wait, so which fries we gonna use? We might as well use these so you don't got two different like brands.
Oh, so use just these?
Yeah, use just these.
Okay.
So, she got this chicken. I mean, we should have got some different chicken. What you think? I don't know. We got the oil in here so far, y'all. So tell them what we're doing, babe. Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so today we are making a Zinger mountain melt. That's what it's called. So we're gonna make it homemade, and it's gonna be good. The only thing we don't have is bacon, cause they don't eat.
I mean, we got turkey bacon though.
That's not the same.
Bruh, she said it's not the same. Right? I don't eat no pork, none of that. It messed my stomach up. But we can probably do turkey bacon.
I think we're gonna start with the chicken first.
Chicken first. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna bring y'all along with us.
I think the chicken gonna take longer. So we're gonna take this.
Hey y'all. Paul, wait. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And
turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload.
And yeah, we lit. So we're gonna take y'all with us, and y'all just tell us what y'all think. Alright gang, so we back, and Bae is taking them out of the oil right now, placing it in there. I'm gonna taste it. Hold on, stop.
It's hot, baby.
You tasted it?
Yes, I tasted it already. They need some salt.
They need some salt.
How you gonna want me to
hold the camera? Let me taste it.
It's hot.
Okay.
Where
does fork come from?
I just used it to taste one. Man, I just told you it was hot. You're gonna make these other ones burn.
Ain't no such thing as burnt. You know they get cooked.
That's how you know he be eating burnt food. I need salt.
You get some salt out there. I'm gonna straight though.
So go get the salt.
I'm gonna straight though. Alright. We're gonna get the salt, y'all. Man, sorry it is so dark in this kitchen game, but it's dark, bro. You know, got the ring light out. Place that bitch right though. I can't wait to get that apartment big. So we got some
sea salt.
Yeah,
I got you.
Nah, come on, show them, babe, show them.
Okay.
That's how you gonna whip it? You gonna slap it on like that? I don't wanna die now. They be trying to kill me.
So now guys, you gotta let the oil drain out from those. And now you gotta start.
We gonna put it in the same thing, right?
Yes, so now we gotta start chicken.
So we gonna put our chicken in there, y'all.
So how many we gonna put in?
Let me see. You gonna cut them up?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut like the big one in half.
Alright, put that in.
Turn this up a little bit.
Then we need some more oil. We're just gonna flip them.
No, I just put
Ooh, that big boy chicken.
3?
That big boy chicken.
Give him 3 still?
Need 3 is good. Let me see. You can never go wrong with not too much chicken. You got all them fries. Shit, you got a small piece in there? So you can put that in there then. Shit, why not? 4 pieces of chicken, y'all. Got the fries right here, man. I already know these are smacking, bro. Let me go take them. Ah, shit. Mama, that shit hot, baby. So, y'all, we finna be right back with you. I'm finna go taste this. But we almost done.
Put the cheese on top of the fries after the oil drains from them.
Yeah.
Then we'll come back to y'all to show
We're gonna come back to y'all. But we almost done, so stay tuned.
We're actually gonna preheat the oven right now.
I bet that. Stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna be right back with y'all. What's up, gang? So we back, man. Yeah. Y'all see little Kai in the kitchen. But we're about to put this in here. Bae already got this going. So we're gonna put the fries in here. You think it's gonna be big enough?
Yeah, so maybe like, cause you like it cheesy, right?
It's gonna be straight.
Look at you eating already. Better with salt, right?
Good when you get a bigger pot?
I don't know, that one might be too big.
Yeah.
Maybe not. This chicken is cooking up, y'all. I think it's almost done. Be careful. That one might be good.
Might be a little too bad, man.
Alright, y'all, so we got bigger pots so the fries can lay evenly.
Yeah. You're gonna put the fries in there. Yeah, man, I ain't putting nothing but
Pick it up, babe.
You see how you get? I get chicken in it, you feel me? But, gonna put all these fries in here, y'all.
Just lay it flat when you're done.
Alright.
Well, as much as, yeah, that one's good.
Yeah, this one's perfect.
So we're just going to lay it a little flat.
Lay it out. You feel me? It don't gotta be like all spread out though, because we could do it like more towards here, if you feel what I'm trying to say.
But the chicken just gonna go on top.
Okay,
so you don't have it all, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's good like that. Yeah, that's good, babe.
Okay, right there.
So this chicken almost done, we're gonna put the cheese. Babe, you gonna put the cheese, you want me to put the cheese?
I'll put it to you.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, wait, what cheese you want? Oh, the same shit?
So use that one first and then we're gonna use the other one. So you can use the rest of that.
My hand's clean, y'all, too. By the way, my hand clean. I ain't worried about it. You feel me?
Say, come on, be nice.
What you mean be nice?
Use the rest of it. That one's almost gone.
It's a lot. What are you talking about? Be nice. It's just a lot.
Just use the rest of it. Listen to what I'm saying.
If Shay say so, bro.
I never question the cook in the kitchen.
Man. Hey, Jason.
Ours
bro.
gonna taste better than y'all.
No, bro. Tell me if this bitch look right. I don't know, man.
Keep going. You're almost there.
You're definitely not gonna need another pack. Cause we're gonna put some cheese on top of it. You see what I'm trying to say?
I know, that's what that one is for.
Alright, so we here, we there with it. We gonna get back to y'all.
If you wanna put some more salt. Just a little bit. Don't put too much. So when this chicken's done, we're gonna let that drain. We're gonna come back to y'all.
We're gonna be back to y'all in a second.
Alright, y'all. This is gonna shake, in the kitchen.
We back in the cut, y'all, and we back with the chicken.
So we're gonna use this as our sauce.
Yeah.
Cause you know they got this sauce, right?
We should do barbecue. What you think? Barbecue or this?
I don't like barbecue, so we could do 2 barbecue, 2 this.
No, I ain't gonna do it. We're gonna make it all one. We're gonna make it all one. Let's go.
All right, so we're gonna use this Parmesan garlic sauce.
Yep.
How much you think I should put, babe?
What you think?
You think that's good?
That should be. Let me see. Yeah. That should be. Put a little. Yeah, that should be good. So I'm gonna see how much. Let me see how it look after you shake. Want me to shake it?
No, I'm gonna shake it. Shake.
Let me just get.
Why?
Hold the camera.
No, let me shake it. God, I don't want the stuff to come off.
What's up?
The crust around the chicken. You already know Shay do this thing.
Man, she's so cow. She talking about.
See, look, it all got broken up.
That's fine. We about to go cut up the pieces anyways, right? You can put a little bit more if you want. You want to put more?
You want more?
Yeah, you can put more. Saturated in them. That should be straight. Here, let me shake it up. Let me shake it up. Let me shake it up.
Don't shake it too hard, cause look,
shake it up. Let me shake
break
it up.
all the chicken. And Zingers don't look like little nuggets. I think he's so far.
I'm trying to tell y'all, boy, it's Kai in the building. You feel me? It's Kai in the building.
Okay, babe.
You already put it in the oven?
No.
Forgot. No, we didn't. Yeah, that's it right there. All right, so
Shay started.
we're gonna go ahead and cut this up. We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna show y'all the layout before we put it in the oven. So 1 second. Ooh, boy. I know y'all see that thing. It looked like a ghetto zinger.
No, it looks like a bomb zinger.
So we gonna go ahead, y'all. Preheat this up.
No, the oven's preheated.
It's already preheated at 350. Oh, we gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, man. And woo, I'm excited. I'm excited.
We're gonna show y'all the finished
I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm excited. We're gonna show y'all the finished product and we're gonna try it.
Once it
Y'all
cools down.
finished. And I'm gonna keep it 100. Trust me. So we'll be back in 1 second. Alright, gang, we back. And as y'all can see, that was our finished touch.
It smells so good too.
It looked good too. So we're gonna about to taste it. Y'all about to get our real. I'm gonna keep it a buck. You know, I got Parmesan sauce just in case. You know, you can never go wrong.
Get ranch, but I don't know. I'm gonna try with
Cola champagne. You feel me? Shout out my Spanish people out there, cause yo, whoever made this. Oof.
Okay, I'm gonna try fried first.
You wanna try fry first?
Yeah.
It's hot. It just came out of the oven. Hot. I don't give a damn. My tongue ain't burning. I swear to God. It's like a regular fry. I gotta try chicken. I'm gonna try chicken with the fry.
Then you gotta try by itself.
By itself.
I'm so scared for this one.
Why?
I don't know.
Why? Let me clear my mouth. Let me clear my mouth.
No, that's good.
I ain't eating at your house no more. Next is barbecue.
That's good.
Next is barbecue. Next is barbecue. We gotta try barbecue next. So now you mix it with the fry. You see how it tastes with the fry. Dang, fry, come on.
That chicken is good.
No, mustard. So imagine we did like teriyaki.
See, you a teriyaki person.
I'm
you
a teriyaki
that sweet
person.
sauce. I'm more of that salty, like lemon pepper or something.
Hot. Woo.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. It was a success, y'all. That's it.
That's doing good.
That's it. I gotta get this on Snap.
Let me hear you chew.
No, I mute it.
He over here. I'm surprised. And it was really a quick, easy meal. Like maybe an hour, took an hour, maybe?
Yeah.
45 minutes.
Hour, 45 minutes.
It's
Yeah.
really good though.
It tastes good. It tastes good. Send it to Jason. Yeah, that tastes good.
But without further ado, if you guys like to see more cooking videos like this one,
I like doing it. They gonna lie.
You comment down below. Let
They
us
gonna
know.
love that. Y'all gonna love cooking videos in the new apartment. Y'all gonna love cooking videos in the new apartment, bruh.
But make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe
to the family.
Turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload. Because we come back with bangers back to back to back all 2020.
And we appreciate y'all, man. We love y'all. I hope to meet all y'all one day. And I just can't wait that y'all on this journey with us. And we building y'all from the bottom, building all the way up, man. We gonna get there together, y'all, on the road to 10K. And peace out. Thank you for watching this video.